Come on.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be using our Sagan Life AquaBrick food storage kit to pack popcorn and oatmeal. Now first, what you'll notice is on your oxygen absorber packet, there is a pink indicator dot that lets you know that your oxygen absorbers are still good. Now when we open this, that dot is going to be changing colors, but that's okay. We don't need to worry about that. We're going to take the oxygen absorbers that we're going to need. We're going to be using 3 per AquaBrick. Since we're doing 2 types of food today, we'll need 6. So I'm going to stick 6 out, and the others can go ahead and be put into a mason jar. As you can see, the indicator dot has already turned purple. That's okay. We're going to put that in there and seal that up for use when we need those absorbers another time. First off, we're going to start by putting 1 oxygen absorber in the bottom of the AquaBrick, and we're going to start filling with popcorn. So here we go. The funnel makes it nice and easy. It's going to be a little noisy, but that's okay. See how easy that is able to fill in? After about halfway, we're going to put in another oxygen packet, and we're going to keep filling. All right, there we go. Now, little tip is to shake the AquaBrick a little bit and pound it, and that will get all of the extra space out of your brick and get those popcorns all down there. There you have it. Okay, we'll take our last oxygen absorber, put that in the top, take our cap, put that on the brick and seal that nice and good. Hand tight is sufficient enough. And we are done storing popcorn for the next several years. Next, we're going to be doing oatmeal, oats. We're going to do the same process. Go ahead and put your funnel on the brick. We're going to start with an oxygen absorber pack in the bottom. And since oatmeal is a little lighter, you'll only get about 12 pounds of oats in a brick versus about 20 with the popcorn. Go ahead and put these in. That funnel sure makes it nice and easy to get everything in there. Put another packet in. Alrighty, like we did before, we're going to shake it a little bit. Spilling a little bit, but we'll shake it a little bit. Get as much space taken out. There we go. Get all that oats in there. We'll take, you see how nice and filled that is? Take an oxygen absorber, put it on the top. We're going to go ahead and seal that with our lid. And we are good to go with popcorn and oats for today. Remember to look in the description for recipes and things that you can find to help you with your food storage, and as well as a link to order the AquaBrick food storage starter kit. Thanks and have a good day.